Welcome to the English Coffee Office. Today is Thursday, October 2. And like every morning, David and Alex are at the coffee machine.
Hi, Alex. Good morning. How are you today?
Hi, David. Good morning. I am fine. Just a little tired.
Me too. Yesterday's meeting was so long. I need this coffee bad.
Yes. Coffee wakes me up. It starts the day right.
Right. Black for me, strong and hot.
I add a bit of milk. What news did you see this week?
Oh, lots. The big one is James Comey,
James Comey? Who is that?
the old FBI director. The New York Times reported it on September 25.
What happened?
A grand jury indicted him on charges of false statements and obstruction.
Indicted? That means criminal charges?
Yes. So Congress in 2020, he said he did not leak info.
Wow, why now?
Pressure from President Trump. Trump wants retribution.
Retribution? Like revenge?
Yes. Comey fired Trump in 2017. No, Trump fired Comey.
I remember. It is controversial.
Very. Comey says it is political. He fights back.
Does it affect our work?
Maybe. In sales, trust matters. Government trust too.
True. As project manager, I like clear rules.
This shakes things up. People talk about justice.
Yes. Fairness in politics helps business.
Right. Customers want honest partners.
Exactly. Pass the cup, please.
Here, now tech news. Anything good?
Yes, Elon Musk in the Wall Street Journal on September 30.
Elon Musk, the SpaceX man?
Yes. He started a new political party
A party for what?
to push tech policies, like AI and space rules.
Crazy? Tech and politics mix bad.
Controversial, some say it is smart. Others say conflict.
Conflict of interest. Big money in tech.
Yes, Musk has power at Tesla and Twitter.
Twitter, now X. He changes everything.
In office, we use X for news.
Yes, but politics? It could raise prices.
Tariffs on tech? That hurts projects.
My sales calls use apps, need cheap tech.
Agreed, innovation is key.
Musk innovates, but party, too much.
Maybe it shows ambition.
Ambition drives sales, but careful.
Yes, stir my coffee.
Okay, entertainment now?
Jimmy Kimmel. CNN reported on September 26.
The talk show guy?
Yes, his show returns after break. From September 23 to 30.
Returns? Why break?
Controversy with Trump admin. Suspension talk.
Political again. Kimmel jokes on leaders.
Yes, skits on news divides viewers.
Fun or fight? I like laughs.
Balance needed. Society watches TV.
After work, relax with show.
Me too, but culture changes.
Media shapes opinions.
Yes, impacts office talks.
Like our coffee chat.
Exactly, news connects us.
Back to Comey. He pleads not guilty.
I think so. Trial soon.
Drama like a movie.
Politics is theater sometimes.
In sales, presentations are theater.
Good point. Engage the client.
Yes, Comey engages Congress wrong.
Maybe. Lessons for us.
Honesty first.
Always now Musk again.
His party name.
Something tech forward.
Forward, like future.
Yes, but critics fear monopoly.
Big tech already big.
Regulate or free?
Free for business, but fair.
Projects need fair tech access.
Emails and tools, simple.
Musk complicates.
Huh? Like my coffee? Too sweet?
A bit. Kimmel's return excites fans.
Ratings up?
Probably. Late night fun?
I watch sometimes. Jokes help?
Humor in office too.
Yes, lightens meetings.
Subtle humor best.
Like your questions.
Thanks. Comey News worries me.
Why?
Justice system. Is it fair?
Hope so, for all.
Including workers.
Salespeople like me.
Project teams like mine.
United? Now weekend plans?
Rest you.
Family time, but news follows.
Everywhere. Musk on TV too.
Maybe party launch.
Controversial launch.
Like rocket? Boom.
Funny. Kimmel would joke.
Yes, his skits sharp.
Culture reflects society.
Office 2, diverse talks.
Good. Builds team.
Our chat does.
Daily habit.
Coffee and news.
Perfect start.
Comey details more.
Indictment sparse. 2 pages.
Short but big impact.
Yes, obstruction key.
Blocked Congress.
Alleged he denies.
Trust issue.
In politics and work.
Clients sense lies.
Projects fail on lies.
Truth wins.
Musk's truth, his vision.
Vision sells cars.
And parties?
Maybe votes.
Tech votes.
Future voters.
Young people?
Like our interns.
They use tech daily.
Kimmel for them too.
Entertainment unites.
Or divides.
Depends on view.
Open mind.
Yes, coffee empty.
Refill.
No, time for desk.
Meeting soon.
Project update.
Good luck.
U2 sales call?
At 10.
Nail it.
Will news help think?
Me too. See you later.
Bye, have a good day.
You too.
Time to get to work. Don't forget to subscribe and practice your English every day. You'll see how it just keeps getting better and better. See you tomorrow. Hope you have a fantastic day.